Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you delicious shrimp fried rice that I know you are going to love. Easy to prepare, but first things first. My apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this easy shrimp fried rice, these are the ingredients: salt, paprika, smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, soy sauce, serrano chilies, red onion, eggs, mixed veggies, shrimp, deveined and clean, leftover rice. This is everything we need to prepare this shrimp fried rice at home. So let's get started. To make this delicious and easy shrimp fried rice, look at this. I have the shrimp already deveined, peeled, cleaned. I'm adding a little bit of the vegetable oil right on the top, and now I'm ready to add the seasoning. I'm adding salt, I'm adding the garlic powder, adding the smoked paprika that's going to give the shrimp an amazing flavor, black pepper, and now I'm going to incorporate it really good. When you make these shrimps with these spices, they come out delicious and they're going to infuse your rice. Remember, leftover rice comes out delicious with this fried rice with shrimp. And here I'm just coating all the shrimp with the amazing ingredients. Just make sure that every single one is covered, and then let them rest while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. This is a very easy recipe. Anybody could do it, and it comes out delicious. Well, here I am done with the shrimp. I'm gonna put it aside. I'm gonna let it rest while I prepare my chiles serranos. If you love spicy food like I do, I'm going to slice the chiles serranos, but I'm gonna devein and remove the seeds. If you want it really spicy, leave the seeds and leave the veins of the chile serrano. Well, here I'm just gonna slice them really good, get the seed and the vein out, because some of these chilies really come out really spicy, and that's exactly what you don't want. And if you don't want spicy fingers, make sure that you wear gloves. Well, here they are ready. I'm gonna get all the seeds completely out, just like that. And now I'm ready to crack the eggs. This is the best part, the egg. I really love adding enough egg in this fried rice. It's going to come out delicious. I just imagine it already. My kitchen is gonna smell delicious and amazing. Well, once you crack your 4 eggs, you're gonna whisk them really good. And by this time, you should have a pan getting nice and hot on the stove so that you could prepare this shrimp fried rice. And here I'm just adding a little bit of the vegetable oil. The pan is nice and hot, and I am ready to pour the shrimp inside. Be generous with your shrimp, because the shrimp is going to really infuse your rice. The rice that I'm adding is just plain white rice, and with all these ingredients, the plain white rice is going to be nice and delicious. It's going to absorb the flavors of the shrimp and the veggies. Well, here I'm just gonna make sure that I just cook them for 4 minutes, no more than 4 minutes, because you want the shrimp to still be tender, moist. As soon as the shrimp change color, that's it. Let's remove them, okay? You don't want to overcook them. So that's why I only cook them for 4 minutes. Once the 4 minutes are done, I'm going to remove them. And in those drippings and that juice that is left behind, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And this is going to be salted butter. So I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon into these delicious drippings of the shrimp. I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to incorporate with all those amazing flavors that are left behind of the shrimp. But while the butter is melting away, let me show you the shrimp. Let me show you the color and the texture. You don't want to overcook your shrimp because they get really rough, and that's exactly what you don't want. So the shrimp is really moist, it's tender, it's pink. And now, of course, I have all the ingredients ready. Once the shrimp is ready and the butter has dissolved completely, you add your egg. Make sure that you whisk your eggs. You add the egg and you start letting it cook in medium heat. Put it aside. Add your onion. Add your chiles serranos. And then add the mixture of the veggies. Do not incorporate the egg. Leave it on that side. Add your veggie. And now remove the egg. You want to remove the egg because you still want to see the texture and pieces of egg throughout the rice. When you're enjoying the amazing shrimp fried rice, you really want to see the little chunks of egg. So now I'm going to cook the veggies for 4 minutes. After the 4 minutes, I am ready to add the rice right on the top and then incorporate everything. This is leftover rice from yesterday. And of course, I'm adding the egg right into it. Look at this. I'm gonna add the soy sauce. And I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You could add more, but in your plate, you don't want this to come out salty. So add it in there, add your shrimp and the drippings, and then just incorporate it. After you add the shrimp, just cook it for 2 minutes and this is done. You could sit down, relax, enjoy this amazing shrimp fried rice. Simple, easy, with ingredients you already have in your refrigerator. And if you have leftover rice, well, perfect. This fried rice is going to come out delicious. Look at this. Be generous with your shrimp, okay? And now I am ready to put some in a plate. Add a little bit of dried hot pepper right on the top, pepper flakes. Add a little bit of sesame seeds on the top, a little more soy sauce, and I am ready to enjoy this shrimp fried rice. Look at this. I'm adding the pepper flakes on the top. I'm adding the sesame seeds on the top. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy it with my family. I am ready for the presentation. If you liked and loved this video, this recipe, leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this shrimp fried rice. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. My home smells amazing. Excuse me. The rice absorbed all those delicious flavors. If you love spicy food, add the chile serrano, and if you don't, leave it out. The rest of the ingredients are going to give your shrimp fried rice an amazing taste. The shrimp, look at this, still nice and tender. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing shrimp fried rice. Easy, delicious, and homemade. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. Yes, subscribe so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Make this amazing shrimp fried rice. Your family is going to love it. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.